If you're looking to verify your Discord account and gain access to all its features, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to get your Discord account verified. First things first, open the Discord app on your mobile phone or go to the Discord website on your computer. Once you're logged in, click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the screen to get access of your user settings. In the user settings, go to the My Account section. Here you'll find your account information and option for verification. To start the verification process, make sure your email address is verified. If you haven't verified your email yet, you'll see a prompt to do so. Click on verify email and follow the instructions sent to your email box. Open the verification email from Discord and click on the verification link. This confirms your email address and completes the initial verification step. Some servers or features may require you to verify your phone number as well. If prompted, go to the phone section in user settings and enter your phone number and follow the steps to verify it. To ensure everything is set up correctly, you can check your verification status in the My Account section. Your email and 2FA should show as verified, and that's it. Your Discord account is now verified and secured.